Good morning. It is difficult to really settle down as uncertainty prevails over a whole host of issues, both domestic and global. The start is likely to be soft to steady as Asian markets appear to be clueless. The IMF has confirmed that the global economy is slowing with the developed world in state of turmoil. The IMF has also lowered growth forecast for emerging nations like India and China. US markets ended off sessions high. Reverse was the case in the previous session. So volatility continues to be high and could rise in the run up to the next week's F&O expiry. European markets closed with strong gains due to optimism that Greece will soon receive a green light for a second round of financial aid from the international creditors. Greece has reported progress in talks with the EU and IMF officials over fresh austerity measures, but a final deal still remains elusive. The near-term prospects for the Indian markets might remain positive as long as the Nifty holds above 5,100 on a closing basis. Immediate resistance is seen at 5,335. Currency market has been going through a churn as well, with the rupee sliding to a 2-year low. So watch out for the stocks that derive a majority of their earnings from exports like IT and pharma stocks. Markets are predicting an operation twist from Fed policymakers. Whether Mr. Banaka and company obliges or not is a mystery. Meanwhile, the Republicans have warned the Fed against any further easing. FIs were net buyers of Rs 3.18 billion in the cash segment on Tuesday, according to the provisional NSE data. The domestic institutions were net sellers at Rs 3.17 billion on the same day. FIs were net buyers of Rs 3.9 billion in the F&O segment. The foreign funds were net sellers of Rs 40 million in the cash segment on Monday as per the SEBI website. Moving on to recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we advise buying Tata Chemicals in the range of Rs 326 to Rs 328 with a stop loss placed at Rs 322 and for the target price of Rs 340. We advise going short on Ashok Leyland September futures between Rs 26 to 25.5 with a stop loss of Rs 27 and for the target price of Rs 23.5. Our derivative strategy for the day are: long McElroy Brazil September futures between Rs 251 to Rs 252 for target price of Rs 261 and a stop loss placed at Rs 247. Long Indian Bank September futures between Rs 203 to Rs 204 for the target price of Rs 207 and a stop loss placed at Rs 202. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.